Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual class of Information Technology of class 9th. We are doing part B, Unit 4, Electronics Spreadsheet, second part. The size of an Excel worksheet is very large. It has 16,384 columns and 10 lakh 48,576 rows in it. Each row intersect each column in the worksheet and forming Arabs and Kharabs. You can see a large number of cells to store the data. So it is very difficult to move in a very large number of cells and rows and columns. So there are many shortcut keys so that we can move in a single worksheet easily. Left arrow key should be pressed if you want to move one column left. Right arrow key, move one column right. Up arrow key is used to move up by one row. Down arrow key or enter key should be pressed to move down by one row. Page up key, move up by one screen. Page down key, move down by one screen. Home key, move to the first cell of the row. Control plus down arrow key, move to the last row in the worksheet. Control plus up arrow key, move to the first row. Control plus left arrow key, move to the first column. Control plus right arrow key, move to last column. Control plus home key, move to cell A1. Control plus end key, move to the last used cell in a worksheet. You have to remember all these keys. These shortcut keys will make your uh, working in an Excel very comfortable. Types of data. There are three types of data can be entered in an Excel worksheet. First is text. Text data is a combination of letters and numbers. Text data cannot be used for mathematical calculations. By default, text data is left aligned. Number. Number is formed using the digits 0 to 9. Arithmetic calculations can be performed on number data. By default, number data is right aligned to the cell. We all know that we cannot do the calculations with the text. We only can do the calculations with the help of numbers. Formula. We can create formulas in Excel spreadsheet using cell value or cell reference. The result of the formula is right aligned. Here you can see this is the text data and this is the number data, and it is right aligned and text is left aligned, and this is the formula bar, and a formula equals to C2 into D2, rate into quantity. What is a formula? A formula is nothing but an expression made up of data value or the cell references of the cells containing data value along with the mathematical operators. Every formula in Excel begins with equals to sign. We all know that these are the mathematical operators: plus, minus, multiply, division, exponentiation, and percentage operator. We start every formula in Excel with an equals to sign. It is compulsory. Equals to A1 is the cell address, or we can say a cell reference. Plus is the mathematical operator. B1 is the cell address. Minus is the mathematical operator, and C1 is the cell address. The formula is the combination of cell addresses and mathematical operators. Create formulas using fixed value. We can use the numbers directly in the formula as fixed values. For example, if you want to add two numbers, say 100 plus 200, when you press the enter key, you will get the total, that is 300. It is when you have the fixed values. Creating formulas using cell address. This is a table. If you want to calculate the amount, product, these are the products like television, rate is 25,000 and we have purchased 2 television, quantity 2. Then what will be the amount? We are going to calculate with the help of cell reference. How will we write? In the address bar equals to 25,000. What is the cell address of this 25,000? B2. We write first column name, then row number. B2 multiply sign, then C2. We will multiply 25,000 into 2, then we get the amount. So formula will be B2 into C2. We get the amount, and in toaster B3 into C3. Thank you.